That looks hot real quick. Let me take a picture of it real quick with my sidekick.
Take a picture of a sidekick taking a picture.
Of a sidekick.
It said the shockwave. Oh, look, it looks negative.
Hot!
That was just the flash doing it.
I need to turn off the flash because it's too bright.
Go auto flash.
That's hot. Saving that. I'm putting that as my background.
This is just how it is. It's the new hotness.
Let me scoot over a little bit so you can get me the freaking picture.
You don't have one. You're not cool.
Yes, that's exactly. Scoot over a little bit. Okay, choose your cube and choose wisely.
I want this.
I'll take this one. Okay.
Now.
Observing.
I see. I'm ready for this crap. Alright. Wait, reset. Now.
You call it.
Ready, set, go. Oh, bad time.
No. Where'd it go? Wow.
38.5 seconds. Look at that.
0.65 seconds.
That's what I said. Do I still have that on here?
You got the fake version on there still.
Oh yeah. That's why I deleted it.